Good day and welcome to today's construction class. My name is Oluwatombi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of Microtech. We'll be considering the isometric problem displayed on the screen. Okay, so first is horizontal line and vertical line, which is drawn faintly, then followed by your isometric plane. Ensure your T-square and set square are well positioned. Then I'm using my 30-degree set square because that is what we use to draw isometric drawing at 30 degrees to the horizontal plane. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to pick my ruler. Picking my ruler like this. So I'm having on this area mark of 60. On this area mark of 60, which is this. On this area is mark of 40, but I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to pick 10 plus 20, that's 30 plus 10 makes what? 40. You see that? So our height is 20 but divided into 2. So I pick 10 plus 10 making what? 20. Okay, then let me make do with that for now. So I'm going to project this area vertically like this. Okay, I project this area vertically faintly like that. This also faintly vertically, then this mark faintly vertically. You see that? Then with my isometric plane I draw this. So I just make this tick once and for all, and probably the base here at the bottom I will make this also to make it tick. Okay, I'm going to thicken this area also once and for all. Okay, now on this axis I will make this tick all the way through like that. Okay, I will make this faint like this. I will make this also faint like this. Alright, so I will project this junction here faintly to the back. I will project this junction here faintly to the back. I project this junction here faintly to the back, and this junction also faintly to the back like that. You see that? Then I'm going to pick my set square, turn it this way, then come all the way here, and I will just draw this boldly like this. I'm going to come here, I'm going to bold this out like this. Okay, yeah, and at this end also make this bold also. Okay, and make this here to here bold also. Okay, so my vertical plane, I'll make this bold, 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 and bold like this. Okay, drawing that boldly. Okay, now with my ruler from this junction a measure mark of 20, which you can see on the screen. So the mark of 20, I project this vertically like this boldly. Okay, then I'm going to draw this like this boldly, and I'm going to draw this like this boldly. You see that? Then with my set square I thicken this like this, this like this, and this like this, and that is the production of our object in isometric drawing. My name remains Oluwatombi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of Microtech. Kindly subscribe to this channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.